Did you know that chocolate is very good for you? This seems like a dream come true, isn't it? Yes, the main ingredient used to make chocolate, cocoa, is known to have numerous health benefits. However, most chocolates available in the market hardly have any cocoa in them and are no less than chocolate colored sugar candies. Forget about health benefits, the harmful effects of eating these chocolates are many. So, is healthy chocolate a dream or reality? Well, keep watching this video as I have found out the healthiest and the cheapest chocolate that you must try out this season. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. To present you the best chocolate in the Indian market, I picked up 20 most commonly eaten chocolates. On the basis of their ingredients and nutritional information, I have broadly categorized all these chocolates into 3 categories. Category number 1 includes almost all the commercial chocolates, the ones which are most commonly consumed by Indians. The main ingredient of any chocolate is cocoa. Although this isn't true for the chocolates in this category as they have only 5 to 7% of cocoa. The very first ingredient in these chocolates is sugar. Just one small chocolate will give you almost 6 teaspoons of sugar. On top of it, they are loaded with hydrogenated vegetable fats, emulsifiers, stabilizers and artificial flavors. Not something that your body craves for. Category number 2 includes the so-called dark chocolates claiming to be guilt-free. Undoubtedly, the percentage of cocoa is more, but the sugar content is same as that of any other commercial chocolate. These bars are also artificially flavored and stabilized. Category number 3 includes chocolate by Lindt, Just Rough and Belgian. These are definitely the best chocolates in the Indian market. They have high percentage of cocoa and are low in sugar. Although these chocolates are on a pricier side. This is mainly because most of them are being imported and the processing of chocolate is done manually, which is an expensive process. Nevertheless, these chocolates are healthy and highly recommended. I also have a bonus category for you that includes a chocolate which is not only healthier as compared to any other chocolate in the market, but also very affordable. And that chocolate is homemade. Now before you run away, let me tell you that this is the easiest recipe that you will ever see. Even easier than making Maggi or tea. Only 3 easily available ingredients, just 2 minutes, and this healthy and delicious treat would be ready. And the end result is so deliciously rich in chocolate, so crunchy that you would never bother to buy another chocolate from outside. All you will need is cocoa powder, coconut oil and honey. The amount of cocoa powder should exactly be double the amount of coconut oil used. Simply add 1/4 cup of cold pressed coconut oil to a saucepan. Mix 4 tablespoons of honey, preferably raw honey. Whisk it roughly for 10 seconds just to melt the honey. Now add half cup of natural unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk it rigorously for a few seconds to make a glossy mixture. That's all. Make sure that the flame is at its lowest throughout the whole process. If not, you may end up burning the cocoa powder. You may even lift the pan to keep it away from the flame. The glossy mixture formed should neither be runny nor thick, just the pouring consistency. Pour it in your favorite mold or any container. Refrigerate it for a few hours and enjoy. So how easy was that? It is not only healthy but also very delicious. It is so rich in taste that you actually feel as if eating a real chocolate, not some sugar candy. All the health benefits of chocolates that you have ever heard about are true for this homemade chocolate. I really want you to try it out and the end product will just surprise you. Everything that I have used to make this chocolate along with the method of preparation is clearly mentioned in the description box of this video so that you do not face any problem while making it at home. Use it in making chocolate milk, cake, oatmeal and smoothies. One more thing that you can add in smoothies to make them more chocolatey is Olena's plant-based protein powder. This plant-based protein powder is vegan, devoid of soy and gluten, which will give you 25 grams of protein in just one serving. Often plant-based proteins are incomplete. However, Olena's plant performance protein powder not only has complete amino acid profile but also recovery antioxidants such as goji berries and turmeric. And not to forget the digestive enzymes, making it incredibly easy to digest. So if you are lactose intolerant or face digestive issues using whey based supplements, This protein powder is a perfect choice for you. Made from French pea and brown rice protein, you can have a scoop of it in water post-workout to get the maximum benefit out of it. Olena has other plant-based products as well, which you may use according to your own fitness goals. The link to buy Olena's plant-based products is down in the description box. Do not forget to use the coupon code FITSHAKER to get this cool shaker bottle free on your order. I want to confirm that whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. No chocolate brand mentioned in the 3 categories have paid me. This video was sponsored by Olena and I am very thankful to them. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope next time you eat a chocolate, you may not have to feel guilty about it. Was this video helpful? Please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Would you like to see more such videos? Do you want me to continue this worst to best series? Or do you want me to make hardcore fitness content? Please let me know in the comment section. Your feedback is very important to me. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.